We have often witnessed children asking for more time when you wake them up from bed. Now, this could be something very inconsequential at that age, but can become a major impediment to their progress later in their life. Haven't we said that I will do later? Haven't we postponed? Yes, we also do sometimes postpone something which we really want to do on time. Now, postponement is something which is a major problem for many people. Oftentimes people ask, how do I do things on time? Though I want to do on time, somewhere something comes in between and blocks my effort to doing it on time. What is the reason? Now, the reason behind postponement is simply this. People are often emotionally hijacked by two things. What? It is called pain-pleasure principle. What do I mean by pain-pleasure principle? Supposing you want to get up at 5 o'clock in the morning. You decide to get up in the morning and you go to bed. Morning 5 o'clock, the alarm goes. You hear the alarm and you know that you have to get up. But what do? You automatically reach out to the alarm, stop it and doze off. Let me sleep for some more time today. And you doze off and lose the time and you don't get up. The reason being, though you want to get up at 5 o'clock, getting up is such a pain for you that you want to postpone that pain and indulge in the pleasure of lingering on bed. Anything that people want to do, if you closely observe, doing at that time is really pain for them, and so they postpone the pain of doing and get into the pleasure of some small activity. So much so, finally, when they are thrown against the wall, that not doing that activity is such an enormous pain that they really rush up to doing and complete it and feel, oh my God, I have completed. For example, now electricity bill. If 15th of every month is the due date, people wait till 15th because electricity department doesn't say that you need to pay only on the last day. There is time, 20 days time. Still, oh, the pain of going over to EB department, standing there in queue, making payment. And some people jokingly say, why should my money be in the EB department beforehand? Let me wait till 15th. And on the 15th, oh my God, I should have paid. Today I can't go. There is so much of work. And this, if somebody can do, can't EB department give some more time? So they really rush up there and there is pandemonium there in the department, queue, fighting everything. And we say, my God, job is done. Students, for example, study holidays. Oh, 40 days. Anyway, there's always time. That I will definitely study. And so they just get into watching TV or playing video games, thinking that there is always 40 days time. I can definitely read well. I'm going to definitely score marks. The reason being, reading on that day is pain and watching video games is pleasure. They indulge in that. And like this, every day runs. And only 10 days before the exam, suddenly they wake up, my God, if I don't study well, if I don't score marks, the consequence is going to be really, really harmful for me. I may be really mistaken. It becomes a pain for them of not reading, having wasted time, and only 10 days left, and they really wake up till midnight and studying with all force and power to somehow get through the exam well. Because of losing time, they rush to cover the syllabus, and in the process, they may not get the desired grade or marks. And so, what is the way out of this? As I told you, we are emotionally hijacked by two principles, pain, pleasure. Now what happens is, instead of seeing pleasure in the activity that we have to do, we are now seeing pain. And what we have to do now is that interchange. Start experiencing pleasure in the task that you have to do. Replace it. That's one. Two, if you have the habit of postponing, take it as a dictum from me. Remember this slogan, postpone the postponement. What do you mean by that? For example, that you want to go for walking today and you get up in the morning, and you feel slightly lethargic. Oh, today I will sleep and go for walk tomorrow. Then immediately tell yourself, no. Today I will go for walk. Tomorrow onwards I will not go. Postpone the postponement to tomorrow and just go for walk today. That will make you walk, and the day is gone, you feel really fresh and happy about it. Oh, I have really done away with postponement. That self-esteem morale booster will motivate you to go for walking the next day. For example, the next day morning comes, if you still feel lethargic about getting up and going for walking, tell yourself immediately, I am going to walk today. Tomorrow onwards I may not go. So postpone the postponement. This will become a habit for you that you will start promptly doing what you want to do. So postponement is something that happens automatically in spite of ourselves. To get out of postponement, or procrastination is the word, a conscious habit pattern can easily break you out of procrastination, and this way of nurturing daily the small thing that you have to do, at the moment you have done that on that day, reward yourself. I have done walking today. I have done what I want to do today. Cherish that moment. That will motivate you to keep doing consistently every day that you want to do. So friends, postponement is not a big deal at all. You can postpone the postponement and lead a very cheerful life. Thank you very much. Subscribe to our channel for more videos.